Hey, it's Crystal from the JMRL Public Library. I just wanted to wish you a happy Percy Jackson Day. And in honor of Percy Jackson's birthday, I'm going to show you how to make blue cloud bread. It's really simple and all you need is 5 ingredients: egg whites, sugar, cornstarch, vanilla, and blue food coloring. I have a couple of tips for you. The first one is to separate your egg whites when they first come out of the fridge while they're really cold, and then let them sit on the counter to come to room temperature. And second is to freeze the bowl that you're mixing your egg whites in to help you form those nice stiff peaks we're going to need. So I'm going to get started. First, I'm going to get my bowl from the freezer. Okay, first we need the 3 egg whites that are at room temperature now. And we're going to put them in the mixer on medium-high. And when they get nice and frothy like this, that's when we start adding our sugar. We're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar to this, but we're going to do it gradually, really slowly, so that it can still form the nice stiff peaks we need. So when you're looking at the spoons, it's the TBSP for tablespoons. It's the biggest one. We want to be really careful not to overmix. We're going to check and see if this makes nice firm peaks. So when I lift the mixer out, it should be nice and stiff like the bill of a duck. Nope, not quite yet. Okay, see how it's still really stiff on the end of the mixer? That means it's ready and we can add our cornstarch, but we need to be careful not to overmix it or our bread will be really tough. So remember, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. See how nice and puffy it is? Now's the fun part. We're going to add just a few drops of blue food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just a little bit, about a half of a teaspoon of vanilla. So here's our beautiful blue cloud bread dough. Now we're going to take a rubber spatula, because that makes it a little easier because it doesn't stick to it as much, and we're going to put it on a pan lined with parchment paper. You don't want to forget your parchment paper or else it'll stick. I'm going to put this on the pan in just kind of a round shape. You can smooth out the edges, but you don't have to. Then we're going to put it into our preheated oven. It's looking like it's going to be about 20 minutes in the oven, but we'll see. Okay, our cloud bread's done. We're going to pull it from the oven and we're going to set it on top and let it cool. See how nice and fluffy it is? Here's our cloud bread. It has finished cooling, and look how fun and fluffy it is on the inside. And it's fun to eat and play with. But see how nice and blue it is? I hope you enjoyed the recipe and had as much fun making it as I did. I think it tastes kind of like cotton candy. So leave a message and tell me what you think it tastes like. Bye.